A lake that forms every time it rains like this. There's a drain under there, but since Orlando, or greater Orlando, is 8 inches above sea level, the drain don't work too well. 8 inches of this, and that's it. Then it backs up, becomes a lake. As you can see, it's one heck of a rainy day. One heck of a rainy day. A little bit of thunder too. A little over here. Uh-oh. Part of a tree fell. That's a small tree or something like that. You can see where that drainage is. Pretty much to the top. Yeah. Definitely to the top. Gonna go. We know it's flood. Well, so much for a parking lot. Some of the guys are in their businesses. And the tattooed lady, let's see, she's getting this place. Besides all the exercises he makes for women do, is a meal or way to eat, and all based off of what she does. That's the tattooed lady. She is quite fit, that's for sure. That's 2 doors down from, this used to be a curry ultra shop, but no longer. Well, it's taken 7 months and they still haven't opened the vape shop there. It's the vape shop. The curry ultra shop is the one that the tattooed lady got. This is our little church, and this is the real business it all started with, as far as the tattooed lady. What's her business there? Cheap Fit Training. And that one's Cheap Fit, Eat Clean Fit. And that's her. Now, I do like the way she set up her storefront. Very beautiful. Yeah. Oh yeah. Very beautiful. Well, we did a little bit of weather report there. Joe's Avenue, Wayne Shorter, and Doc of Best Stories on base. And also a great drummer from Peru, Alex Acuna. And one more, I think it's a percussionist that joined forces with Joe's Avenue and Wayne Shorter. So that there was a very good overhead little sign. You know, it's like known around here. Very nice job somebody did on that. Anyway, that's the last car you'll see off of this video. God bless everyone.